How to get animated wallpaper on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to get animated wallpaper on Windows 11. So, let's begin right away. The very first step that you're going to do is to open your Chrome, Safari, or any web browser that you want, and then proceed to google.com. Once you're in google.com, simply type in lively wallpaper. So click on the very first site, which is the rocksdanister.github.io. So click on it and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, simply click on download. And once you click download, there are two options that will appear. So these options are just the same, So you may choose either get it from Microsoft or install it using an installer. So once you choose one, simply follow the steps needed and download and install it to your PC or your laptop. And then once you have downloaded it, you just click on the hidden icons right here on your toolbars and click on Live Wallpaper. So make sure to right click on this Lively Wallpaper and then click on Open Lively. So again, click on the button or the arrow right here and right click on Lively Wallpaper and click on Open Lively. And then, if it is your first time using Lively Wallpaper, there are default or pre-installed wallpapers right here. So this includes Eternal Light, Fluid, Matrix, and many more. And then let's say, for example, that you don't want these wallpapers, you may also click on Add Wallpaper right here on the left side of the screen. And then you may select a file from your computer, or you may also upload a video from YouTube. So also you may click on more wallpapers right here, and then this site will appear. So the Reddit website will appear, and then here are the people who have uploaded their um, their videos or live wallpapers. So you may click on it and then paste the link on the lively wallpaper or paste it right here and then click on the next button right here and then it will redirect you once again right here. So let's say for example that you have added or you want this wallpaper, simply right click on it and click on set as wallpaper. You may also preview it by clicking on preview right here. And then you may also um, customize it. So let's say, for example, you want to change the saturation, the hue, the brightness, and etc. You may also mute it by clicking on mute right here. Or if you want to restore it to default, simply click on restore to default. So that's it. That's how you can get animated wallpaper on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.